Hello, my name is Jenna Viviano, and I'm joined today here with Scott Knutson, Head of Trading at IMC Financial Markets, along with Joe McCain, Head of Equities at the New York Stock Exchange. This morning, it was announced that IMC is actually acquiring Goldman Sachs' designated market maker unit here at the New York Stock Exchange. So Scott, congratulations. Can you tell us a little bit about IMC?
Well, thank you, Jenna. I'm very happy to be here today. With the New York Stock Exchange taking over as a designated market maker. IMC is one of the world's largest market makers. We have over 25 years of experience in the business. We're active across all major asset classes, including equities, fixed income, currency, and commodities. We have offices across the globe. We're active in Amsterdam, Zug, which is in Switzerland, Sydney, Chicago, and soon with this acquisition, New York. We are a leading market participant on all the major exchanges, including NYSE, NASDAQ, BATS, CBOE, CME, and the ICE. We are very excited to partner up with NYSE with their high-touch, high-tech market model. We think it's going to allow us to leverage our strengths as a market maker here.
Thank you. Now, Joe, can you tell us a little bit about the DMM model here at the New York Stock Exchange?
Sure. The designated market maker model is really the cornerstone of the New York Stock Exchange market model. And what's unique about it is it's premised on the basis of accountability and obligations. And accountability comes in the form of maintaining a fair and orderly market. Obligations come in the form of requiring a certain amount of capital or requiring maintenance at the best price. And those really take two forms. One, electronic in terms of quoting and meeting that capital requirement. And secondly, in terms of manual obligations. And that's really what differentiates us and delivers value to our issuers, because in times of stress like opens and closes and IPOs and secondaries, that's really where human judgment gets involved and marries together with the technology and produces a lot of benefits for our listed companies. And that's why we're so excited about having IMC join the NYSE family. Obviously, their significant global market making presence is something that can be leveraged here in terms of improving the experience of our listed companies. Their experience operating on floors globally also can be translated here to the NYSE model, so it's a form that's very familiar to them. And at the same time, they're so excited about coming here that it makes us excited about it, and it makes our issuers excited because they're going to be able to harvest a lot of that experience and that knowledge about what's happening in the markets, what's happening in their sector, what's happening among their peers, and being able to tap into that knowledge for their own use.
Thank you. Now, what will IMC bring to the trading floor as a designated market maker?
Sure, it's all about combining the right talent with the right technology. IMC's roots are on the trading floor, so making markets on exchanges is a big part of our heritage. On the technology side, we have nearly half of our staff dedicated to developing best-in-class risk management and trading systems and deploying those across the globe. Also, as a trading firm with nearly 25 years of experience, we're going to be able to help companies go public by participating as their designated market maker during the IPO auction process, a process that benefits tremendously from having a presence on the trading floor.
Scott, how will IMC and Goldman Sachs work together in order to make the transition fluid with regards to the DMM allocations?
Well, we're expecting the transaction to close in 60 to 90 days, so during that time and beyond, it's really just going to be business as usual for the issuers. As part of this purchase, we plan on hiring the entire Goldman Sachs DMM team, the floor traders, and corporate relations staff. So it's really just going to be the same level of reporting and market intelligence that the issuers have grown accustomed to over the years. We're going to work very closely as well with Goldman Sachs to ensure a phased approach in moving the issues over to IMC's platform.
Well, thank you, Scott and Joe, for your time today. More information regarding this transaction will be available closer to the closing of this transaction. Thank you.